Yes, I'm a mechanical engineering graduate from Clemson, and I started out in the metals industry, manufacturing, and I was there for roughly 6.5 years or so, and I learned a lot there, problem solving, dealing with a lot of different vendors, and then I decided to switch gears and get into the EPC design field, and so I was in that at another EPC for about 3.5 years before coming over to Isomer. I learned a lot there with the mechanical equipment. So I have a lot of knowledge that I can bring over to Isomer from that. But what I'm excited about at Isomer is not only will I be doing mechanical equipment, I'll get more experience in other disciplines as well, as far as piping and the actual process side of projects. So looking forward to being well-rounded here at Isomer. So what initially drew me to Isomer was how they execute projects in a more modern technological approach compared to traditional EPC firms. And with that approach, I feel like they can execute projects more efficiently, therefore, ultimately saving costs for both Isomer and the client. Really picked up on, off the bat is Isomer truly cares about their employees here, and they're very big on work-life balance. So that's very encouraging to know that there's a good balance to have there, and you're going to have time at work. You're going to have plenty of time back home with your family as well. So my favorite thing to do is getting home, and I have almost a 1.5-year-old daughter. So getting home and seeing her face light up and chasing her around is kind of my fun way to unwind for the evening. My wife and daughter, we just love going to the park, pushing her around in the stroller, and getting her on the swings. In the summertime, we love to go to the upstate lakes and take the boat out and cruise around, try to do a little fishing whenever I have some free time, and just anything outdoors, we're all about it. Favorite lake? Prettiest lake, Joe Cassidy and Kiwi, but I kind of have partial to Hartwell's because Clemson sits right on it, so but I love them all. Just as long as I'm out on the water, it's a good day. The fun fact, I consider myself a part-time chicken farmer. My wife and I have 4 hens and 1 rooster that we take care of. Their chickens they're funny creatures, and they keep us busy, but it's some work involved in it, but the eggs that we get daily are definitely rewarding, considering the price of eggs and egg shortage that we have going on right now. So